Today's video is sponsored by Thrive Market. I'm having my organic tea. It's called Everyday Detox. I just got all my goodies delivered from Thrive Market. Thank you, Thrive Market, for sponsoring today's video. I love Thrive Market. I've shopped them for years. It really is the ultimate wellness online grocery store. I'm all about the holistic lifestyle. I really like having a home that has organic products, clean products, and Thrive Market has a 100% non-GMO catalog, which means I can swap out anything toxic, any junk food, and make healthier choices for myself. So let me just show you a few of the things that I got. I love that I can get my pantry items and my clean beauty products and clean cleaning products all in one, and it's all delivered to my house. So I got cinnamon apple chips as like a healthy snack. My plan is to make yogurt bowls in the morning. No sugar, it's just organic apples, organic cinnamon. Then I also got my oat bran and my monk fruit sweetener. I like to make these oat bran pancakes. And then every day for lunch, I'm doing a salad, especially now that it's spring, going into spring in the summer months. So I'm doing this salad toppers. The goal is to add more nourishing foods into my diet. I needed a refill on my dish soap. I love this brand Rosie. I use their cleaning spray. I use their toilet bowl cleaner. I use their glass cleaner. Totally non-toxic, no harsh chemicals. This is a great brand. And then to add some self-care to the mix, I treated myself with an Epsom salt bath soak with refreshing eucalyptus and peppermint. That smells so good. And I also got the Everyday Nourishing Body Lotion in Bulgarian lavender. This stuff smells heavenly. I love it. Love it, love it. Click the link in my description box or go to thrivemarket.com/thecarlaproject, and that's gonna get you 30% off your order and a free gift up to $60. Make sure you get some of these for sure. Let's get some work done around the house. I wanna do 20-minute tidy, make the bed, gather the trash, put away the laundry that got delivered, clear the floor, tidy up the desk, all that. 20 minutes on the clock, starting now. Get in your bed. Yeah, there.
Could you catch me up here? Tell me what you felt. My head is filling bottles that keep falling off the shelves. Well, every word hit like a prism out of color there was wasted. I could see through every layer. This was heaven, I could taste it. Tapping on the counter, terracotta floor. Voices warm and blended, weaving through the door. My skin was wide awake, so close I could hardly take it. Move quiet, leading into spiritual healing. Spiritual healing. I'm a billion people listening. Spiritual healing. An earthquake at each step you take. Spiritual healing. Hearts in a handshake. Could you start from the beginning and don't miss a verse? I'll treat you like a mirror and reflect what I just heard. Well, every word hit like a prism out of color that was wasted. You could see through every layer. This was heaven, you could taste it. Spiritual healing.
All right, I am going to make a vinaigrette. I'm gonna use one of my jars. One of my cute little jars to make salad dressing from scratch. I have this champagne vinegar I've had for a while that I just never opened. So I'm gonna do equal parts this with olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of lemon, some Dijon mustard, tiny bit of honey. Then I'm gonna put together a salad. Ooh, that looks good.
I was a girl with dreams so wide, eyes full of wonder, heart open, untied. The world seemed soft, a place to play. Ran through the days in the sun's warm sway. But somewhere along the road, I felt the shift. The days turned heavy like an unseen rift. The girl that I was began to fade. And in her place, a new self was made. I'm in between, I'm not quite all. A girl, a woman, both in my soul. Learning to balance, learning to be. In the struggle, I find the real me. I feel the pull of who I should be, caught between the past and what I can see. The weight of the change rests on my chest. Questions that made no sense. I was a girl with dreams so wide, eyes full of wonder, heart open, untied. The world seemed soft, a place to play. I ran through the days in the sun's warm way.
Thanks for spending the day with me in Samson. Don't forget to check out Thrive Market. I've got the link in the description box. See you guys next time.
The days turn heavy like an unseen rift. The girl that I was began to fade. And in her place, a new self was made.